Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous video, we have just learned about many things using React 18. We have just covered a full advanced, you can say start to advanced tutorial which we needed to understand React 18. So today also I'll be telling you the one more good thing related to React 18, and I hope you'll be enjoying today's video also, and this video will be also really helpful. So remember to see this video from start to end. In this video I will be telling you how to create a new component using React 18, because previously on we have just see that how to just build these components, or you can say how to use these components. We have used two types of component. One is simple component, second one was function component which we have used. So in today's video I will be telling you how to just create a new component using React 18. So remember to see this video from start to end if you want to learn how to create your own component using React 18, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button and also share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things. And I hope you'll be enjoying all the future videos also which I'll be coming up with, and I hope you'll be enjoying all that videos also which I'll be uploading. So remember to check that out all things, and I hope you'll be enjoying that stuff. So just now we'll be starting with today's video and seeing how to build this amazing creating a new component project in React 18 from start to end. So just like I've telling you, we will be just building an amazing project using React 18, and I'll be telling you how to just make your own component, means how to create your own component using React 18. So just now we'll be starting with our project. So for building this project, here I will be opening my VS Code. So you can see here I've opened. Now when you've opened this, here we have to close all these files, and like you all know that when in the previous video we have created our React app, so I've make that folder in my local disk E. So I will be opening that folder which is named as app1. This is our folder. Then I'll be pressing select folder, and we have written all these codes here. Like I was just showing you the function components here, and these were some of the function components of this image tag and of this render tag. We have also used br tag as our function component here. So I will be just now opening this in my Opera browser, which is my default browser. So here I will be moving to terminal, and like you all know that I have just tell you the command to run our React app. So here I will be writing npm start to run my React 18 app. Now when you will be writing this, so it will be running. You can see now it is starting React scripts and app-1 at the rate 0.1.0 start. So this is the version of this. So it will be taking some time to run. So you have to wait a while till it will be taking time. Then when it will be running, we will be moving on and working with our project. So you can see this here, and we have also rendered this. So here I will be removing these all stuff, because here we will be not we will be not needing of this stuff. I will be now creating my own new component. So here I will be raising all this stuff from here. Then move in this import render from here also I will be raising. Then move to this file here. Then you can see all the things has been removed from here, like I was just removing from the previously on. Then I will be just moving down in this file here. You can also erase the things from this file if you want to remove. So you will be getting the random font family like we are just getting. So you can see now it is running here. So you have to wait a while till it is running, and it is just running. So it will be opening it in my default browser, which is Google Chrome. You can see it is saying that starting the development server, and it is started my server in my Opera browser. So here we have to do it side by side. Now here when you written this, when this text will be going on, so we will be getting a server link here, and then when you will be pressing your server, so you can just redirect it here. You can open it at any browser here, but my default is Opera browser. So here I have opened. You can see I have opened, and it is totally empty because I have erased all the things from here. Now this is the thing, or you can say this is the place where we have to create our own component. So here you can just make many of the different components here, but I will be telling you the basic component which you need to create here in React 18. So for just creating this basic component, you have to first of all import this component. So for importing, you have to move here. Then you have to just write a tag which should be like import component from React. You can see I've just written this import component from React. Now when you've written this, here you have to now just make your own component. So we'll be starting from basic. So here I will be now writing a tag which should be like console. First of all, you have to make a script tag here. So I will be just making a script tag. Simply write here script. Then when you close this tag, you have to move down under this. Then you have to just write a tag which should be like console.log. Then we will be making this bracket in which I will be just writing hello. This is, you can say like this is me. Then you have to just save this thing, and when you save, you can see nothing happens. If I move here in inspect element, now if I move to this console, so you will be seeing that we are just getting this warning here. And then if I just show you default, here I will be moving, then here I will be pressing this expression. You can see it is saying that not available. So here you can see now it is saying that you cannot use navigator.app dot function tag here. So here I will be moving in this, then I will be moving to console, then move to elements, and you can see we are getting all the elements here which we needed. Now here you can just use it as this event listener. So here I will be moving to component here again, then you have to remove, and you can see we are just getting one component here which we have written, and this is the React development component which we are getting. So here now when you're getting this, here I will be moving, then you have to just do one thing. Here you can just see there are many of the things. If you want to hide network, you can hide it. If you want to select the context only, so you can also do that. Then these are the group similar messages in the console. So here you have to just do one thing. You have to now just write this tag here, means script tag. In script tag you have to write this tag which is called console.log hello, this is me. Now here I will be printing this tag directly. So if I print this by writing this print tag here, hello, this is me, like this, save this. Then here you will be just now seeing that here if I just show you, you can see nothing happens here, just we are getting this text here of warning, and here down we are just getting this tag because we have just written console.log tag in the script tag. So because of that we are getting all this stuff, you can see. So here we are just getting one issue which is saying audit usage of navigator dot user agent, navigator dot app version, and navigator dot platform. So here you can just do one thing. You can just now see, move down here, you have to create your own component. So here I will be pressing this. You can see now when I press this, so I move to this file, and from this our component has been created. You can see if I just show you here, so we are just getting different components here, and we have created here our component. So you can now copy paste these all components here in your React 18 file. If you want to use it in any project here, you can copy paste it from here. So like this you can create component. It was not too much big thing to create your own component, but I'm telling you the basic components which you can create. But there are many different type of components, like there are difficult components when we used in any project here which is big enough, so we have to use different components here and many components to build that project. But this is basic, and I'm starting from basic. So these are the starting components which I've telling you where you can use in React 18. So this was our project here in which we have learned about components. I hope you understand how we have just learned and what are the components in React 18. So if you have understand this video, so hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button and also share this video so more people can learn about these amazing things. And if you want to see more videos like that, so hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos, and share this video so more people can learn about these amazing things and they can also take benefit of this amazing stuff. So I'll be uploading more videos like that in future, and I hope you'll be enjoying that videos also. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, good bye.